because I like it to be wet. But this is from yesterday's look after I put my hair in a bonnet and all of that. So we just about to go ahead and get fresh and up instead of this dry look. Okay. So the first thing I'm gonna use is a spray bottle. I need to add more water because I'm using a lot of water. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. The way I section my hair, I just part it into 2 sides, and I just start with this side. I don't know, I always start with this side, so that's what we're gonna do. Let me fix my necklace real quick, y'all. So let's go ahead and damp this side. Not even this damp, soak. And when y'all do this, make sure that you do not go inside to like the braids, because that will make your hair itch like really bad, and that's not good. So next I'm just going to go into detangling the hair from the bottom. And this hair does obviously tangle some because it's curly hair, and what curly hair doesn't tangle some, but it's not like a nappy like type of tangle. And also the hair is curly hair, so obviously it's going to shed some when you detangle, but it's not too much to where your hair is going to start balding. But it's going to shed like what curly hair does not shed. If you see any parts that's like still big and other parts that's wet, make sure you damp that too, because we need everything to be wet. Make sure you go to the top because I got the little flyaways. Make sure you get on the inside. And if you still have flyaways and you don't want to spray that, like I said, not to get your braids wet, spray them up on your hand and pat it like that. Now this is what the difference is. It's like wet, dry. Okay. So next, I just now started using this product. It's the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils, the Curl La La Defining Curl Custard, and it smells really good. It's like a weird smell. It smells like, I don't know what it smells like. It smells really good. But I'm just gonna take some, put it in my hand, even though this is too much. I did not mean to put all of this. But I'm just gonna run this through my hair, making sure I get the insides and the top, and especially the bottom. You see how I can just run my fingers through it? So next I'm gonna use this LG Moisture Mousse, and my hairstylist is the one who actually put me on it. She told me to tell you guys to use this, like no cap, for real. She told me to tell y'all to use it, so I've been using it and it's really good. So I'm just gonna take like a good 3 pumps and do the same thing. And now I'm just gonna detangle it again, making sure I get all the product all through. So along with the Curl La La Custard, this is my first time using this product, which is the Eco Styler. You already know about the Eco Styler, and so I've been using this because I really like my hair to look like this, and then kind of eventually kind of look like this, not too big. So I'm just gonna get some, just a little bit on my hand and run it through. So the last optional thing that I like to use is oil. Okay, my hairstylist also told me to add this. It gives it luster and shine, you already know. And I'm using the OGX oil, and they also have one that you can pour into your hand, but I have to spray because it's cheaper. So yeah, I like to spray it on the top because obviously this part has luster and shine, but this part's the part that tends to not be as shiny. So that's what I'm gonna spray. So that's it for this side, y'all. As y'all can see, it has all of that shine. The reason I don't use a diffuser is because I like it to see how that wet look. Like I actually want it to be wet, so that's why I don't use it. So this is the before and the after. Okay. And now I'm just going to do the same to this side. So I will see you guys when I'm done with that. So this is the final look of the hair, y'all. And I really love this. I love how it looks. Okay. And it doesn't feel crunchy at all. Like I was using some other mousse and it was making my hair feel crunchy, but now it just feels so smooth. So yeah, I hope that when it dries it can stay somewhere like this. And hopefully I can take a picture and show you guys what it looks like later on. So the last details I want to throw out about this hair is that this hair came in super fast. Like it probably took a week. I actually don't remember, but I know it didn't take longer than a week. Like I literally ordered it and it came in that same week. That's crazy. With this hair, obviously it came with some lashes. And yeah, so I made this hair into a unit. And I had someone install it, and my hairstylist will be down below in the description box if you stay in the Dallas area. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video and I hope it helps you out. Let me know if y'all like the more dry, poofy look, or if y'all like that wet, defined look, because I like that wet, defined look more. And I'm hoping that it stays like this. So yeah. Once again, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.